Okay, so now I'm making some decor for the fence, and we're gonna make a topiary, okay? So you're gonna need 12 11-inch or 12-inch balloons, okay? And then you're gonna make them into your doublets. And when you tie, don't tie these too close together, okay? Leave yourself some stretch. And then you're gonna just pull them all into each other. So let me back you up so you can see what I'm doing here. So I already started. So then I'm gonna take the next one, just pull it, and pull it straight through the center where all the knots are. See where all the knots are? You're gonna pull it all straight into the center, okay? And then you're gonna complete that until you have all 12. So I have 2 more. Tie it off. And you stretch. You want this much stretch. You gotta really pull this. Pull this in. Woo. Straight in the center where all the knots are. It's a little awkward, but you can do it. Okay? So then, once they're in, they're in. So this is what it should look like in the center. Let's see if I can get this in the camera. So you have all of that, all those knots in the center, okay? Then once you have that in, you need to manipulate this. So it should look like a flower. So you should have 5 on the outside and then 1 in the center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1 in the center. So if I flip it to the other side, the same. So you're gonna have 1 in the center. And I want to split these up a little bit, the colors. All right, so the green is in the center, and then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, okay? And then there's your topiary. And then we're gonna go ahead and tie it on the fence. I'll take you with me and show you how to do that. Okay, so I have my 260. I'm gonna go ahead and flatten it. And I know that I'm going 8 of these poles in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm gonna go ahead. No, don't touch the rocks. If this touches the rocks, it's going to break. All right, so all I'm doing, bring you closer so you can see. So all I'm doing is tying this on to the pole. You can tie it onto your topiary first if you like, but this was just easier. Okay? And then we're gonna just figure 8 this. So I wanna see how I want this. I kinda want it like that. I'm pulling really taut right into where all those knots are, remember? I'm going back in. I wanna figure 8. You wanna go back around the pole, you can for extra measure. But don't let it go. And back around this pole. Come in and figure 8 in it. Okay? And that's not going anywhere. Okay? Let me show you. There you go. All right, thank you for watching. And if you didn't see the pool balloon decor series videos, please go ahead and watch those. We'll tag them here somewhere in the tutorial. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment if you have any questions. And I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye, y'all.